Ready to open the hood? UseTool for the tutorials.
And for car parts, the right idea is the Mr. Auto app. Easy, fast, and with better prices than on the website.
You will find the Mylar stabilizer sway bar links used in the video through the link in the description. Turn your engine off and pull up the handbrake. Loosen the stud bolts on the front wheels. To change the sway bar links on your vehicle, you need to remove the wheels to gain full access to the suspension system. Lift the front of the vehicle. Place the vehicle on the axle stands. We strongly suggest watching the tutorial, raising your vehicle safely before carrying out this step. Don't forget to slide the wheels under the vehicle. The sway bar links connect the sway bar to the shock absorbers to always ensure that the wheels remain on the ground. Start by loosening and removing the upper ball joint on the sway bar link. To do this, take an 18mm spanner and a 5mm Allen key. Stop the rotation of the tie rod end with an Allen socket and remove the lock nut with a spanner. Repeat the operation on the lower ball joint. Remove the nut. Then the sway bar link.
All parts used in this tutorial are supplied by our trusted partners. These partners also help us create as many video tutorials as possible. Check them out in the description below.
You can find the Mylar parts and products used in the video through the link in the description. Take the new sway bar link axle rod. Put the sway bar link back in place. Roughly reinstall the nuts. Retighten the nut. Finish off the tightening with a torque wrench. Repeat the operation on the upper ball joint. You can use a 14mm spanner to stop the ball joint from rotating. Then you will be able to put the wheels back on your vehicle. Put your car back on the ground and block the wheels securely. Operation completed.
Hi, it's Theo from UseTool. I hope this video has helped you a lot in your car maintenance. We would be super grateful if you could spread the word so that we can produce even more tutorials. Simply give us a like, a comment, and hit that subscribe button. It really helps us boost the channel and help the whole community. Thanks a lot and have a great one.